Hey, what's happening, folks? Tomcat71 back here at you. Well, did a little touch up on the frame. I got to get in there. I got to crawl my ass in there and do the rest of it. I'm going to mask off them brake lines. I don't want to paint them black. I've got a new battery tray on order. But finally, she's closed up. 3.4 ready to go in. Got a new Melling oil pump with a brand new pickup screen specifically for this style pan, because I guess it's the same one used on the 2/8s in the rodeo, but the later model ones had a 3/4 diameter inlet versus 5/8 like the 2.8. So that's why I had to get a new oil pump and a new pickup screen. I just didn't relish the idea of going through all this trouble and not putting an oil pump in it. It's just cheap insurance. I got a EGR gasket on the way, because of course the intake set didn't come with that. What else have we got? Put a new harmonic balancer on. I've got a new flywheel. It's over there. So she ain't long from going in. The thermostat, gasket, waiting on that. That can be put in after the engine's in. But I'm going to install a new set of front shocks while I got the motor out. And it's easy to get to these two top shock towers. So we'll see where it leads after that. See ya.